faces to all. You can call me Cuddy or Mr. Extravagant, cause I'm kidding my money. When my doors are swinging, it's like a bird on wheels. You can come to Ohio and you can see how it feels. And it's the premiere of that new hair. It's gonna take you beyond where we check can't live. Well, all you gon' hear is something crazy. In fact, I'll be burning the booth. We'll get you looser than yak. Yeah, you got it right. Now don't get left, get on your good foot. It's only right that you step and keep up until it's just unfamiliar. If your main line got time, then I'll be killing her. I keep you in my realm, I keep you in the sound. I keep myself up high because that's by the pound. And my imagination, you can look all over the nation. You can look all over, but you'll never find like mine. It blow your mind. You can look all over, but you'll never find like mine. Cause I provide that same taste, my different. You can still keep your hood. It don't matter your race, it's the place, and we all gon' ride the pace. And them girls gon' throw as well as the bottom. At the Motel 8, you come from front. Yeah, the flow is a net. I'm super covered, realistic, being around the doses and rap ferocious. I'm chosen to live. I'm about to hit the public if you love it, then we top it. Blood, sweat, and tears, homie, I made of it. Finish the classic and think nothing about it. Tell him like grandpa, you don't know nothing about it. Where kicks worse than a leader, come about him. I've been saying it, he was playing it, and I know. Can't look all over, but you'll never find like mine. It blow your mind. You can look all over, but you'll never find like mine. Cause I provide that you can look all over, but you'll never find like mine. It blow your mind. You can look all over, but you'll never find like mine. Cause I provide that you feed my ladies with the bodies that kill. You ain't popping on money, or for me cause you will. See you shaking it fast, on some Mr. Edge. You can slap that if you call you a bitch. Yeah, I see you with that, but you should be on this. It's the Henny and Coca-Cola, come over and sit. Won't you tell me your name, tell me where you be at. I know you know the demise, but I don't wanna hear that. You see, I ain't for a check before I ain't for sex. I ain't for death, you try to fuck with the black. Ain't no fucking with amateurs, run past the notice. Sip hella lean, you see who talks the slowest. Ain't no stopping me at all. You need to saw it off and maybe a chainsaw. And even at that, the crack that I brew is still new. Y'all singing think I'm cute, while Cuddy is hot too. You can look all over, but you'll never find like mine. It blow your mind. You can look all over, but you'll never find like mine. Cause I provide that it's too soon.
Me and my money attached emotionally. I get the clutch and if you get too close to me, I'm at the top where I'm supposed to be. Jumping in the game, niggas act like they coaching me. 400 rats ain't shit but a show to me. I'm on the road and I bet that you hold with me. When I'm in traffic, it's always a pole with me. Pillsbury man, I keep door with me. Hit from the back, she giving me slurp, and I ain't even pull my pants down. Jump in the box and slide to the other side, it's always a man down. Draw down, hands in the air, nigga make one move, get gunned down. Giving out smoke so long, they don't even wanna talk no more, they just run down. No lock doors, I serve with a chop. Bitch got spent, she was hanging with a op. We call him Mickey, top to the cop. I was on Pound glass in the sock. Back in the day, I invest in the block. Fast forward now, I'm investing in stock. I put a drum on the heckling cots. Don't play cause I'm very invested in shots.
Push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sounds. Pussy cat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns.
Pussy cat in his face cause he stay out, just should breach. Then I took him back, now he's sick that he's shaking and he's shit. Like the way it tastes and he ain't ate it in a minute. They call me your baby, but I still got hella shit.
Sorry in advance for my bros, they'll whip a nigga ass, what you whipping up? Shit in the back, if you looking for the dope, niggas got it in the bag, cause we trapping on the low. And I'm the shit with the flow. Give me a joke. Heard the niggas say that you the next. No, I'm the best. Tell them bitches stop the motherfucking press stop. Fuck a top 5 list. Get him a vest, he get lopsided. Fuck the cops, we was running from Rottweilers. Most of my partners ain't had papa, just a pop condom. Couple kids with Alzheimer's, 40 on his side. Boy, you might all style, he on the block violent. Robbing niggas in the hood and then swap genres. Green light, line a nigga up, stop sign him. Keep driving, you will not find him. I'm an anomaly. I turned into a rap ironically. I ran the back up, niggas is on me. Niggas should honor me. If you think I'm a wannabe, it's pretty comedy. I'm melancholy and cool, so calmly busting moves. My troops carry velocity. Same posse since Osh Posh Bagash pussy clock. Treat the rapping like I'm pushing rock. On the stove with the Pyrex pot. The door stay locked, it don't say knock. We on they block, we on they block. It's Monopoly games, we stole their properties. Smooth talking and moonwalking, the same little nigga. Small pump but a pool shark. I aim big stick, knock chalk off cue balls, bang this shit.